Hi, this is Christine with realestatecoachingpro.com. I am going to show you today how to set up a CMA on Cloud CMA. It's a really cool tool that's web-based that allows you to create these excellent reports that you can email out to your clients. So these come in useful when you do open houses or you have other types of interaction with potential buyers or even sellers when they're looking to purchase a property. So rather than having a 30-page booklet that you're offering to give out, you can collect the potential buyer's contact information and let them know that you can email this over. So again, this is an awesome tool to use. What I'm going to do is I am going to cut and paste some information from one of my business partners so I can show you how to use this service. So as you saw, I went up there to Cloud CMA. Now what I'm going to do first is go into CMA. Actually, let's do the property one because this is what I like to offer this at open houses. So we're going to create a new property and we're going to put I'm going to look up, it's Redwood Court. This is the actual address I'm looking for. We're going to copy that. Let's go ahead and click Fetch Listings. And this should go ahead and pull up the information. So just to double check, okay, that is my listing and that I'm going to be doing the open house at. And it's a townhouse or condo. So that's kind of an idea of what you want to look for when it comes to finding maybe comps. So this imported everything from the MLS. Let's go ahead and customize report. With me and my business partners, we use the Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. This is a Keller Williams feature. I can't remember if we paid extra for it or not, but it's excellent as far as the layout and the visuals that are provided. I believe Michael Lewis is an agent maybe in Southern California, and it seems like he probably paid out of his own pocket for all of this marketing to take place with these types of reports. And I think you have to be a Keller Williams agent in order to use that. But I'm just going to go ahead and hit publish and see what comes up. And let's go ahead and view it. It downloads as a PDF. I'm going to go ahead and open it up real quick. So you can see it immediately puts together all of this great information. So this is a really helpful report, like I said, to go ahead and email out to people that have come into your open house that just want some additional information. So that's like the 3-minute version of how to create a property report. I'm going to come back here. I am going to edit and just put Redwood property report. So that'll go ahead and just update it because I wanted that to show up, the Redwood property report, instead of all of that verbiage I had at the bottom. I think that that'll look cleaner. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a CMA. I'm just going to wait for that to upload. Let's view it real quick. Make sure those changes took place. So Redwood Property Report. So again, you can put any verbiage you want in there, but that's going to be the simplest way for me to remember that and use that. So next what I'm going to do is create a quick CMA. And let's get into CMA. Let's see, yep, all right. I just went ahead and pasted the address that I had already copied. And if we really wanted to, we can get into the MLS information. I'm just going to save this as Redwood Court. That way I have a nice photo. And let's take a look at the approximate square footage is 1860. And let's take a look at bedroom and bath. We have a 2 and 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. Now I'm going to find that image I just saved. On my Mac, for some reason, it will save that it's not recognizable. So I just go ahead and open it, save it again. I don't save it as anything new, just save it again, and then it shows up as a photo. So if you have a Windows, you probably wouldn't have to do that. So that should upload once we save it. So if you have an idea of comps in the area, you can put the exact MLS numbers, or if you want to automatically find listings, get at least 10, go back 6 months, I'm going to go ahead and choose that option. And this might take a couple minutes for it to gather all the information from the MLS. Alright, so this is the fun part where I'm going to go through and take a look at townhomes. So townhomes or condos are specifically what I'm looking for because that's the subject property. I do not want withdrawn anything on my market report. Let's see, these are all sold. And they're right within the range. You know, some of these are a little bit higher priced over here that are 3 bedrooms. I'm just going to go ahead and keep those on the list. Obviously, you can just click to remove them if you'd like. Pending, do not show. We'll keep that on there. And then we have our actives. So again, these are all within the same area. They're in that square footage that we're looking for, the zip code. So if you find that maybe some square footage is not necessarily within the range that you want to look at, again, this is maybe a little too high right there, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep it on. I almost feel like the more information I can provide someone, the better. Let's go ahead and click on Customize Report. Again, we have the Michael Lewis Marketing Suite that we have, and this just breaks down all of the different options the report has, and we'll publish report. And this will take a couple minutes to put together. And so really we're looking at maybe 10 minutes that we just prepared to get ready for an open house, that you would have a property report and a full CMA in order to offer to the potential buyers. If you're doing an open house, or again, a really nice report to offer any potential person interested in this property. So it's definitely worth 10 minutes of your time to put this together. Let's go ahead and click on View. It's going to download. And let me go ahead and open it up. So again, it gives you a really nice report. This actually, I think this report might be put together for more of a listing presentation, but you know, it's great to hand out to people if you wanted to switch out that first page, marketing listing consultation. You could do that, or you could replace it with something else. It goes through each one of the listings that we picked, each one of the comps, and gives detailed information with photos. And another thing I just noticed, I think the actual subject property is in here, is it not? Yeah, this is a subject property, so if I were going to be using this, I would probably take that out of the report that I'm going to use. Then it gets into some more information, pending stats, value stats, sold stats. So again, a lot of Keller Williams stuff. So if you're a Keller Williams agent, this is definitely worth using, especially if you're based out of California, because it is just amazing. You've probably heard about it through your market center. But anywho, that's the 10-minute version of how to prepare for your next open house. If you are not a Keller Williams agent, there's also a lot of different templates that the Cloud CMA does offer. If you just call their customer service, I know they're really great on helping you set things up. So again, just some additional options if you don't have a report similar to this. But a lot of the bigger companies, they do have some type of template that you can use in this Cloud CMA. So thanks so much and make it a great day.